Okay, music is off. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another vlog. I think by now everyone knows that I love doing vlogs on my channel rather than anything. So yeah, today I'm going to London. It's my friend's 25th, so we're gonna spend the weekend in London just enjoying. Hopefully Boris doesn't try and ruin it. So yeah, I'm just finished getting ready. I'm all packed up. I've got my suitcase there, got my little present bag and a little satchel over there. Oh my god, the pointing is really bad. So yeah, I just need to put my shoes on and then I'll be ready to go. I will show you guys my outfit because I am feeling it. I'm wearing a full tracksuit and I'm so comfortable. So yeah, so tired. I've just been up since like 7:30, so I'm really not with it at the moment. So yeah, let's get ourselves together and get ready to go to London. Let me show you what I'm wearing. So this is my outfit. It's just this boohoo tracksuit. It's oversized. Luckily I was about to get a 10, but I ended up getting a size 8, which was the best decision ever. Ignore my dirty mirror. So yeah, this is it. It says athleisure over here. So yeah, I'm really excited. So yeah, let me get myself together and then we can start heading out.
Look at her.
Hi guys.
Oh, welcome to my channel.
Sammy as a videographer and Jimmy as the YouTuber.
Roles reversed.
So,
Tell us, what are you doing now?
sitting.
She's sitting comfortably. What are you rocking? Give us a haul. Okay, so we got Air Force Ones. And then we got, okay, she got the Apple Watch.
I know, that's right.
Oh, okay, the iPhone. Come on, Apple sponsor us.
That's it. That's it.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
We have made it to our apartment. I'm gonna check out the rooms because we've only just seen the lounge. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, this is room number 1. So I'm guessing this is me and yours' room.
Yeah.
This is me and Sammy's room. Here we are. Second room. Beautiful, beautiful. Yes.
Beautiful. Oh, I know.
Oh, just me. Well,
Did I get in the way?
yeah, no, please continue. Please continue. Okay, and then I'm guessing this is the bathroom. Cute. Cute, cute. Oh, sis!
Wrong one. Where's the light?
Okay, don't know where the light is.
Two bathrooms, that's good.
Is that? Where's
Yeah,
the
there's
one?
an ensuite in this one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I didn't see that. Wait, can we put the lights?
That's what I'm thinking of. But
Actually,
actually,
not this one.
that's why.
Where are the lights at?
Oh, really? Oh,
Oh, okay.
There we go.
Oh my god! Alright, let's see the ensuite because I haven't. Where's the.
the charging pit. It's in there.
Oh wow! Cute!
Sorry, I'm getting my stuff out.
Cute, cute, cute.
Let me get the
She's ready to just put on. Yes. If you know, wait. Say your Instagram. She has a food Instagram page. What do you call them?
My food blog.
Your food blog,
Follow
yeah.
my food Instagram, Sammy the Foodie _.
If you wanna get fat from just watching it, just literally follow her. And then in here we've got the lounge. I mean, it's so cute. I think on the pictures it looks a little bit bigger, but it still looks really cute. And I love that there's a lot of mirrors everywhere.
Yeah. Won't be fighting over it.
No, some mixes.
Yeah.
Sure, wait, can we? So, the plan for tonight is to get drunk. We've had a rough day. So my feet are killing me.
Say, I want to take off these Air Forces, but as soon as I take them off, they're not coming back on, and I don't have any other shoes at my heels. I'm not going to
Did I manage to push my slippers in my mouth like they say?
No, me too!
I wanted to put my sliders in there, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna have everything.
Next to my iPad, that's why.
Just popping these in the old fridge, you know what I mean?
Not bad.
You brought the iPad too?
I bought, so this can be the music system, yeah? Okay.
Any song request?
Prepared. Okay, I'm just gonna put on. I don't know what to put on.
I did not bring any alcohol at all.
What are you even Zim, mate?
I know. I'm a bad Zim because
You've let the team down.
Zims are like, we're known for our drinking. Sorry to all the Zims out there. Let's see the alcohol that you brought in your suitcase. 1, 2, 3. What else? And this was all in the suitcase. Look, since lockdown began, I'm such a lightweight. So the way things are set up currently, am I that oily? Oh God.
This is literally, I'm looking at my face now. Why is fried egg on this face?
Okay. We have the shots in there. Can we start with those small shorts? And then we'll do your
Okay.
Sammy's trying to kill me.
Period.
Oh my God, I just had one shot of this. Before I would have been able to take this.
Guys, if you saw the shot I poured her a fat shot. We decided to half it between us. So the shot was like,
No. I decided to half it between us.
It was nothing.
I almost died.
You understand?
No, listen. I've been drinking wine since April. I haven't had shots.
Well, that's what we're doing today.
Good morning. My God, it's my voice. Good morning. It's the morning after. I don't know what's up with my voice. We weren't screaming or anything like that. No. We were just, talking calmly and singing calmly, as you do. Got my partner here. I'm a piano partner, twerking partner, all of the above. Period.
Pouring Bacardi down your throat, partner.
God, I almost died. Oh my God. If you have me on Instagram or Snapchat, you will see the video of me literally almost dying and gagging. Tequila is for me. Bacardi, not for me.
If anything, tequila's worse than Bacardi.
No,
tequila's light work.
Do you know why? Tequila is light work.
It's not even the worst of the rums. The white rums. Come on.
Wait, tequila is not a white rum, is it?
It is. Tequila's a white rum.
What?
If you can do Ray Nephews, you can do. Sorry, not tequila. Bacardi's a white rum.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, bitch.
Tequila.
Tequila is not a white rum. I was getting so confused here.
I was getting to my head.
Yeah, are you okay?
Bacardi's a white rum.
No, do you know what? I had a different Bacardi because when I went to Mauritius, I bought the massive bottles, but I was drinking that shit clean. This, I don't know what that shit is.
The UK version.
Yeah, exactly. My this will focus. This is what she basically wanted me to do.
You see, that's Ray Nephews, and that's straight from the bottle.
But it's
I was mad. Ray Nephews is like double the alcohol percentage.
I like a shot that's smooth and
Nothing
gonna
is smooth.
That's why my throat is acting up, That's why my throat is acting up because it's trying to kill me. It's trying to kill me. So the plan for today is we're gonna get some breakfast.
Yeah.
I feel like we're probably gonna walk over to Tesco again.
I checked Delivery Breakfast Club is there.
Okay, good.
And
Food has arrived. What's this place called again?
The
Breakfast Club. Oh my god. Ah, smells delish. Look at that. Focus on that. Focus, focus. Of course, Dawa has to set up the table for a takeaway order. Just let her do her thing.
Do her stuff before
Yeah, you know what? Let's just leave her to it.
Oh,
So
leave me alone. I can't.
yeah.
I am who I am, and that's it.
And I love it. I love it.
Look at that.
It's like,
Sis is just
I'm
proper
aware it's
setting up.
unnecessary, guys.
That's okay. The food is looking
Tantalizing.
tantalizing. Woo! Okay, hello, we're getting ready. Currently getting ready. This is Sammy's situation here.
Oh, don't expose me. I am feeling guys.
I didn't say you were dirty, I'm just saying this is the situation.
It looks a mess.
We're getting ready. We're gonna go for cocktails. I think I already said this, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah. But, you know, just come to check the mess you're making in here.
Sorry. Listen, I'm gonna kill.
So guys, this is the finished look. I'm wearing this Opoli dress. It's like a midi dress. I don't know if you can see my makeup properly, but let me turn this around. Cute whatever.
Okay. Talk us through your outfits.
Well, today, as you saw yesterday when we were doing comfy vibes. Today, Opoli dress. Got this like a video ago.
Zoom in.
Shoes, PLT, bag, Zara, face by me.
Beauty.
And that is it. Oh, earrings. Oh, I can't even where these earrings are from, you know. Louisa, yeah. And then necklace is Pandora.
Oh, take a look at that. Take it in. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. Can I get an autograph? Okay. You don't know where I got this dress from. I guess that it's from Misguided because. Anyway, so Misguided is a dress. Oh, the clear heels. The clutch bag from New Look.
Focus.
Later.
There we go. Okay, what have you thought about tonight?
Tonight has been so fun so far. The night has not even started yet.
I'm not gonna lie, the whole vlog is just gonna be me and Sammy.
Honestly, I feel like it's our vlog, not your vlog. Our vlog.
Yeah, welcome back to our channel. So yeah,
tonight has been so fun. We went to Slug and Lettuce, got some drinks, had a lot of drinks, had a good time. Now we are going back to full course dinner.
Yeah, we're full course dinner, and we're just gonna go to Tesco's get some punch.
Some alcohol for a punch.
Yeah,
and it's just gonna be fun. Like, we're gonna play games tonight.
I mean, look at the view behind us.
Look at the view. Like, this is life.
We're definitely coming back because do we know where we're going, by the way, before we continue?
Yeah, it's in the shopping center.
Oh, okay. So yeah, we're definitely coming back because like Canary Wharf is beautiful. I feel like I'm in a different country.
That's why I say this is literally my favourite part of London.
I feel like
I'm in like London.
Yeah, but next time I need to come back in boots, I can't lie. Like these shoes here,
together.
It's a no for me. Okay, the girls are doing whatever, but we're just gonna get a head start into Tesco's, so at least we can grab the stuff that we need. But the lighting here is banging. Look at the lighting.
Ooh.
I know know that's right. Never wrong. So at the moment we're in Cabot Square. I think that's how you say it. But I'm just looking for the toilet and I've already gotten lost. So yeah, it's got some beautiful shops, Joe Malone, some shop that I actually don't know. I've only seen Joe Malone and that's the only shop I know, so yeah. Yeah. So we've just made it back from Slug and Lettuce for 2-for-1 cocktails, which we thoroughly enjoyed. So now we're in our black tie dresses because we're about to have dinner. We've got a beautiful chef making us food. It smells delicious in here. Like, oh, the flat smells amazing. So we just dressed up. Everyone else is still getting dressed up, and yeah. So I'm in the bathroom. This is my dress. I've worn this dress before, like 2 years ago. Me and my parents went for a Christmas holiday and I wore this as a Christmas dress. So yeah, and I've got this necklace from Louisa and the earrings are also from Louisa. But yeah, this is the dress. It's beautiful. I've always loved this dress. I'm definitely gonna wear it more times. And this dress is from PLT. So yeah, this is it. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Go down for the party girl, for the party girl. Good morning, guys. So it is Sunday the 13th. The weekend is over. We've packed up. Sam is doing up Instagram baddie. We're done for the weekend. I'm so tired. I'm sick as well, so that's a way to end the weekend. My arms hurt. I can't even hold this camera up. I'm looking a bit ghetto actually. Ghetto. Weekend was a 10 out of 10. Now we're gonna go eat, get some brekkie, and go home. Oh, somebody's calling me. Tanaka. Say good morning to my vlog.
Good morning, vlog.
How we doing?
Yeah, a good time. Just showered and look good. Shit. You know, we shining, we glistening.
Actually,
Yeah,
you know what?
man.
I was saying the weekend is over, but next week we go again. It's your birthday. I know that's right. When I focus on it.
That shit. Yeah.
Literally. Morning, yo.
Morning, man.
Foodie review. Breakfast for me wasn't solid 7.5 out of 10. The interior displays is beautiful. I got the avocado benedict and it was cooked to perfection. Obviously I was too full, but I finished everything.
You did that.
So I would highly recommend the Ivy.
In Canary Wharf, yes. We have finished breakfast. For me, I'll give it a 6, just because
She wanted the breakfast club, that's why.
yeah, personally, I wanted the breakfast club, but I think we're probably gonna, you know what? Let's just end the vlog here. We're gonna end the vlog here because it's gonna be way too long. I hope you enjoy. If you do, like, share, subscribe, all that jazz, and we will see you in the next video.
Like, comment, subscribe, and comment for your ass.
Okay, on that note, bye.